Hi friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player. Let's check out the great functions in this unit. You can listen to radio by selecting channels manually or automatically. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program types. And it supports band AM and FM. It has AF and TA function. You can shift radio to stereo status and listen to local radio stations. Go to the main menu and open GPS system. The 3D navigation map shows you accurate GPS location and route information. Connect your phone with the unit via Bluetooth and dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. And listen to music from your phone. Insert a SD card to the unit, then you can play media files from it. You can listen to songs freely. Go back to the main menu and click video icon. Then you can enjoy videos. Back to the main menu and enter photo interface. Come to the setting interface. You can set options of display, GPS system, security, EQ values, steering wheel control buttons, and so on.